Hello everyone, the Dry Frog here, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to build a digital painting from a photography. And I'll show you some basic composition rules, so you can understand what makes it work. Let's begin. If you want to get great results in your artwork, you need to understand the 3 stages of composition: focal element, structure, and balance. The focal element is something that the viewer is drawn to immediately. It can be height, contrast, camera focus, and mostly faces or figures. Here in our reference, we have a figure, that is this handsome shepherd carrying a damn cutie lamb. We also have a camera focus on the subject. And the most appealing thing for me is the color contrast between the subject and the background. Actually, there's 2 main colors in this composition: orange and blue. Those precisely are 2 opposite values on the color wheel. And this is what makes the photography so interesting. Secondly, the structure is the organization of elements based on a rule. The common structures are rule of thirds, golden ratio, pyramid, and symmetry. Here in this example, the structure could have been based on the rule of thirds. By putting the subject on one of the 2 vertical grids, we could tell a deepest story behind the scene. Here's a tip. These intersection points on the grid are the most powerful when it comes to drawing the viewer attention. And finally, the balance stage is all about ensuring that the visual weight of the image is balanced. The visual weight includes size, contrast, saturation, faces, and figures. One more tip. To make sure that your image colors are balanced, turn it to black and white by decreasing the saturation value to 0. Here we can see that the photography is lacking in contrast. We can fix this by clearing up the background. And voila! Now, let's paint. If you find this helpful, like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and digital art tips.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. You can ask me any question, I'll do my best to answer each one of you. You can also follow me on my Instagram thedryfrog for more digital art. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.